Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to insert and format the shape. To get started, we'll go to the Insert tab. Under Illustration, you will find the option Shape. We'll click on the drop down arrow. Here you will find different types of shapes. Okay, so we'll select the rectangular shape now. Here on the page, you can see the plus sign. With the help of this, we can draw any of the shape. So now here you can see the shape is selected, right? So when the shape is selected, the one more tab we are going to insert, that is shape format. Here you can see different format option, okay, like insert shapes, shape styles, word art styles, text, okay, arrange, all these options. So now we see how we can apply shape styles. So here you can see some of style which I am applying. Okay, if you want more option of shape styles, we'll click on a drop down arrow. Here you can see theme styles. So whichever theme you want, you can select. Okay, if you want to give a shape fill color, okay, here under shape style, here you will find shape fill. Okay, so we'll click on a drop down arrow. Whichever color you require, you can select. Okay, if you want more color options, we'll go to the shape fill option. Here more colors. Okay, so we click here. So here you can see a small window called colors. Okay, so here there are two types of colors. One is standard colors. From here you can select whichever color you want, and one more that is custom color. Okay, so now I want this color, so we'll select this color, and here from here you can increase the transparency or decrease the transparency. So here you can see in new the color which now we have selected. After selecting the color, we click on OK. So here you can see the shape the color is filled. Okay, so now next, if you want to remove the shape fill color, okay, so what you're going to do is, again we'll go to the shape fill option. Here there is a option called no fill, so we'll click. Next, if you want to add picture to your shape, okay, so we'll go to the shape fill option. Here picture field, so we'll select this. Here you will get a one more window, insert picture. Here there are four options: from a file, stock image, online pictures, from icons. So now we'll select from file. So whichever picture you want, you can select and click on insert. So here you can see. Now we'll see the next option, gradient. So we'll go to shape field. Here you will find the option gradient. So with the help of gradient, you can apply color variation to your shape. So here you can see light variation, dark variation. So like I want to select from center. So when we select, here you can see the variation to the color. Okay, now we'll see the next option, texture. So again we'll go back to shape field. Here you will find the option texture. So whichever texture you want to apply to your shape, from here you can select it. Like I want fish fossil, so we'll select this option. So here you can see. So this way you can format the shape. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos, and follow us on Instagram for useful reels and posts.